Hi everyone and welcome to Beautiful Within. Today I'll be talking about my favorite lip glosses. As much as we know that matte lipsticks are very much in these days, they're very much in vogue everywhere around and they look very classy. I feel that glossy lipsticks also have their own place in our own lives because they give us the creaminess and texture, and they also, bring us shine to our lips, which is also desirable at times. If you're having a shimmer kind of a look, then gloss or glossy lipsticks work very well. So I'll be talking about pure lip glosses. For me, a good lip gloss should first of all either be properly pigmented, so it should have a good color and pigment to it, or it should be perfectly clear. Secondly, it should provide me the desired moisture while I'm applying a lip gloss on me. Otherwise, there's nothing wrong in a matte lipstick as well, because the problem that matte lipsticks have is that they dry your lips a lot. And thirdly, it should not be too sticky. So at times the lip balms are that sticky that if your hair just come on your face, they would stick to your lips, which is very embarrassing. So that kind of a phenomena should not happen. That kind of a situation should not happen. So these are the three things that I look in my lip glosses. I'll start with the 5 lip glosses that I have for you lined up here, which I have used for a very long time. So I started using lip gloss before I started using lipsticks, as most of us would actually do. So the first one that I'm already wearing on my lips is the Body Shop lip gloss in the shade Orange. So this is a very clear lip gloss, as you can see, but it has a peachy kind of a color to it, but it's not too much. So it's more of a clear lip gloss. You can wear it with your pink lipsticks. I will show you the texture. So in lip glosses, I can't give you swatches for all of it, but I'll actually try and show you the texture of it. So this is the texture. As you can see, there's a little bit of an orange peachy kind of a color to it. I will try and swatch it, but you can see it's a clear swatch, and you can already see on my lips how it's looking. So this is how mostly it looks. I mostly use it over my pink lipsticks or orange lipsticks. So this was my first one. I'll link down the prices of all the products below, because most of the products I'm currently using and I do not remember the prices of it. So this is the first one. Second lip gloss that I have for you is the L'Oreal Glam Shine lip gloss. This is the stick that it comes in. I'm already wearing it on my lips. It's a beautiful light pink color. They do not have shade names, but as we can see, it's a bright pink, light pink kind of a color. This is the crayon kind of a stick that it comes in, and you apply it like this. I'll give you a swatch for this as well. I guess this is the swatch. It's very transparent, but has a little bit of a pigment to it, and also certain shining particles. So like this kind of a gloss shine like a feeling you can see on my hand as well. It's reflecting from the light. So this is the second favorite. This is extremely balmy on the lips. This hydrates the lips a lot. I forgot to mention Body Shop also does the same, so it's very hydrating on the lips. Staying power for most of my lip glosses has been around 3 to 4 hours for L'Oreal and for Body Shop both. 3 to 4 hours they stay on my lips, giving it a little bit of a shine before after which you would require a second application. So this was the second one. Third one that I have is actually a lip stain from NYC. This is the 16-hour smooth proof lip stain from NYC in the shade name 490 or Persistent Pink. So this is the kind of lip shade that it has. Because of its liquid texture, I'll show you the applicator also. This is the felt pen applicator that it has. Because of its liquid texture, it also gives a little bit of shine to the lips. If you're applying it over your pink lipsticks, this will give it a sort of a shine. And if you're applying it on naked lips, like I have applied it without any lipstick, this as you can see is going to give you a dewy pink color to the lips. And it does have some shining particles, though it does not show on the applicator, but it's not completely matte, maybe because of its liquid texture, but it has something shining on the lips. It gives some shine on the lips as well. I will give you a swatch, though a swatch is actually not possible. This, if you can see, is I've just put the pen once on my hand, and you can see it has little bit of pink to it, little bit of glitter, and some liquid lip stain which is there. So it gives a nice dewy pink color. Also using it over your pink lipstick can help you use it as a lip gloss. So this is the third one. The fourth lip gloss is actually my season favorite. It is Lakme Absolute Plump and Shine 3D Gloss. So this is the applicator to it, and this is how it's looking on my lips. It is a perfect color for summer and spring. Also during the fall, this kind of pink looks really good. So this is perfectly pigmented. You can use it with or without a lipstick as well, because this has like enough pigmentation to stain your lips for, let's say, 2 to 3 hours. Without any lipstick will give you some pigmentation. This I can actually give you a swatch for, because it has like the perfect pigment to it. So I'm just swatching it for you. This is the swatch for the Lakme Absolute Plump and Shine. I cannot see the shade name mentioned anywhere on the pen, that is the lip gloss pen, so I'll mention it down in the description box. But you can see the cute pink color that it is giving to the lips, and this is the color to it. So this is the fourth one. And my fifth lip gloss is also from Lakme. So this is from Lakme 9 to 5 range. It is the Aqua Shine lip color. So it is color plus gloss plus conditioner, but it's mostly a gloss. Like it does have some color to it, but it's mostly used as a gloss. So as you can see, it's a perfect nice wine color kind of a shade with a certain gloss to it. This looks really good with deep red lipsticks and also with berry reds as a gloss. And I mostly use it, you know, without any lipstick. I use it with a on its own, because it is really well pigmented. 3 to 4 hours the pigment is going to last on the lips. Also after you remove remove the makeup, also this pigment lasts. So it is a very long lasting pigment. This is the shade. I will actually have to link the shades down below only, because nowhere it's written the shade name and also the prices. So these were my 5 favorite lip stains or lip glosses, as you can call it. I have not included one lip gloss actually in this one. I'll show you that one, which is the e.l.f. lip gloss, because I've already included in the red lipsticks. I do not consider it a gloss because it's actually a glossy lipstick, because it's so pigmented, this e.l.f. one, that it actually serves as a lipstick and does not serve as a gloss. So that's why I've not included it here, but this is also one of my favorite lipsticks or gloss, whatever you call it. So these were my 5 favorite lip glosses. Do let me know what you prefer, matte or glossy kind of a lipstick, and which are your favorite lip glosses if you've used any. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye bye.